Yeah, so just a couple of things. First of all, welcome to this knitting session. Ani, you have couple of views, speaker view also. Ani, the other view is कौन सी बात है? Gallery view. So when you do gallery view, you can see everyone. But just recommending that when mummy is showing the knitting, it would be advisable to go to speaker view, so you can see only one person, the one who's talking, so that tumko details details of the knitting. So with that, mummy, want to start?
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm Sheila Kalyanpur, and today is my first session, and I'll be starting with knitting. And as you know, as I feel that you have picked up, then we'll slowly move on to crochet, because both these are very interesting. And knitting I took first because when compared to crochet, knitting is a bit easier. So it's quite easy. So I selected the knitting first. So Aji, I'll speak in English because Sharvati Kamchi Galyana, Tamiti. So
actually, Sheila, you can go ahead and speak in Konkani. If I don't understand, I'll ask you. That way, at least I have a chance of improving my Konkani.
Okay. No, I'm also quite free with English.
Okay. Then
yeah. Yeah. So today we'll start the basics of knitting. So in knitting, as you all know, the main thing what you need is a pair of knitting needles. I'll show them to you. This is the knitting needles. And then you need a ball of wool. We call it yarn. In the knitting language, we say it yarn. So this is the ball of wool. And today, in this wool also, you have various types. You have the thin variety, which we use for the neck scarves, you know, or mufflers, which you close for. And today I've selected the bulky one because in the video, it will be more clear for you to see the stitches, okay? Now, there are different brands of wool, and somebody had asked me, can you mention the best brand? So there are three very good brands. One is called Karen. Here it is. I hope you can see the name, Karen. Okay. So this is the best. This I like it very much because it's very soft. And you know, if you want to make a sweater or if you want to make a necktie or something, this is the best quality because it's very, when you touch it, you can make out, it's so soft. Okay. And the bulky one, I bought only 3 rolls because I wanted to see. I'll just bring it. See, you can see how thick it is. Can you see it? Yeah. So the thicker variety is meant for, you know, for tutorials, for teaching somebody. So I selected this bulky one. And there's one more which is called the chunky. The chunky is double this. So that you can go if you want to make, you know, something very fast, because the size keeps increasing much faster because of the bulky nature of the wool strands. Okay. Now, as you know, when we buy the wool, the first thing we have to do is convert the wool into into a line of stitches on the needle. Okay. That is the first step which everyone has to follow when we are doing the any project. You have to put a line of stitches. Now, these stitches, when we make them on the needle, it's called cast on. Cast on is we are making it, and cast off is when we are done with the project and we are closing our project. Okay, so now casting on stitches onto the needle is a very easy process, and there are about 3-4 methods of casting the stitches on the needle. Can you see me full screen? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So casting of the stitches, there are 3-4 methods, but I'll teach you the easiest one because it's a beginner's course. And it's called the thumb method of casting on. And how we do it is, I will turn the computer now because
Hey, tagu kar, mummy.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you see now? Can you see?
Why? Ani chike tagu kari. Laptop tagu. Huh.
Okay, you can see now. Okay, the first method is,
Ek minute, sorry. Can you move the laptop chike tagu? Because thread tagu this does. Huh.
Ani tag kurkava.
Awesome.
Okay. Now it's okay.
All hat on side chike.
Okay.
Yeah, better. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Now the first method is making the stitches on this needle. Okay. Now what we do is we take the wool like this. Okay. And then hold it here. And now, yeah, before this, we have to make the slip knot. Now what we do is, I hope you can see, this one is la sang, okay?
Wait, the chike eke hat on kari on laptop tagar because tag hotas.
Ata?
Ha, atsamas.
Okay. First we make a loop like this. Okay. And magiri, we bring the lower one like this. And it a looper almost half a cut kellal manke, makshthanu. And amgal botane ashi tanche. And now I have formed a loop. Okay. Can you see it? Is it visible?
Wait, it is chike tag vasa, still tag vasa. Middle of the screen na, so move the laptop chike tag kari.
Now?
Ha, perfect. Wait.
Okay.
Everyone okay now, eh?
Vaiva?
Wait, samas, at samas. Perfect.
Okay. I'll show again. See, I opened it now. Just ashi eka round korche, and then you bring it like this, and then eka loop korche. Okay, this way, and magiri like this. Okay, and then loop antu needle galche, and just pull it so that you know how much tension you have to have in that. Okay. आणि जल्तीतले लूज दवरयाती भो टाइट दवर नाकाती. Okay. Now we start the stitches. Yeah. Kal coach Mari. Sorry, 1 minute.
Mummy, to chikke dhur velari chalta because it's so close to the camera. Ki uns vata se ki tagu. So
Okay.
you can take it maybe 2-3 couple of inches away from the screen.
Itla?
Ha. Even focus will be better.
Okay. Ata the looper needle aghale. Now we take the running yarn, not the shorter yarn. I take the running yarn is the one which is the longer one. Ani hava hatham baka ashi ha karta. Ashi I take it round my thumb, okay? And now what I do is, from below, I put it like this, and then I take it round the running yarn, and then how ash karta, and then I pull it.
शिल्पाची चिके सकल कर का की म्हणो.
How do I? Okay.
Chicky is going out of the screen, mommy.
Okay. I'll turn the computer again. 1 minute.
Wait, actually mirror image zala chalta. Tu
Right,
kar
right.
Wait, I think
Yeah, because you will be seeing the mirror image.
that's okay. Wait.
Because when I go behind the laptop, I can't see whether you are able to see. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll show from the beginning.
Yeah, this is better. Thank you.
This is the shorter one, and this is the running. This one is the left. This one is the running yarn. And this is the shorter yarn. So what I do is, she take a loop karche, okay, and then I take it. Bhitar gemche, just take a ganti galal manike, okay, this way. Got it? This way. Yeah. Now this is the easiest method. There are other methods also. Ata, I'll teach you yet another easy one. Okay, now you take the second needle and from front, you put it into that loop like this. Can you see?
Wait.
Take it backward, and this longer yarn, take it in the anti-clockwise direction. Ani the two needles samad den thadche, and can you see at the back there is a loop that we have to one minute. See this way. Magiri ash karche, pull it up, and then put it for the needle. So I got my second stitch now. Can you see? Okay. This is the easiest. This is taught in the school level, like. So
शिल्पाची आपास एक पळेतवे. So I have put पळे एक कांतू. I did the loop and then I एक needle घालले. Okay. You see my left hand I have the one with the
yes,
the loop through the loop. Second needle is free. Now this needle also I'll put it through this loop.
The new one. Yeah.
The new needle.
Yeah.
So now both of them are together inside that one loop.
Yeah, but it should be like a X, like, you know, X shape.
Okay, so I X it out like this.
Wait.
Magiri, thai dhornu. Now the running side.
Take it from the back.
Oh,
bring
from
it
the
in
back.
front,
Okay.
Bring it in front.
Okay.
Like this, anti-clockwise.
Okay.
And then see between the two needles, you will see that yarn. Okay, pull it out.
Wait, I see the yarn between the two needles like this. Now this is out here. Square X jala, and then this is here.
Yeah, you take it in front. Take it towards you.
From bottom, where bottom of the X where?
Why bottom of the X.
Okay, got it.
See.
Okay.
I come from the back.
That means the second one.
I come from the back.
Oh,
then
okay.
I cross the new needle. I'll say needle number 2.
Okay.
Around needle. This is needle 2. Okay, this is needle 1. The first one is needle 1.
Got it.
Needle 2. So I take it round there, then bring it between and pull korka towards you. Then when you pull towards you, you can see a line there. Okay.
Wait.
Can you see?
That
line you pull out. You pull out.
Okay.
And then you put it like this. So you got 4 loops. She increase karta vache. If कोणाक कळ निजला सांगा ती I will.
मम्मी मागशी लाईट ऑफ करी मे बी त्या रिफ्लेक्शनची किंवा जातले
आता ऑफ कर का काय
नाही तो लाईट ऑफ करी तो ब्लॅक लाईट पडे हा
okay. So this is my needle 1, this is my needle 1, this is my needle 2. Needle 2 will always be free. Okay, needle 2, I think if I hold it against my dress you can make out. So the one with the stitches is needle 1 and the one which is free is needle 2. Okay, now आता हांव चिके turn करता so that you can see properly. Okay, yeah. Now you everyone got the slip knot कश करची म्हण कळना है
कशी जो परत दाखय शुअर
Okay, okay, I'll show from the beginning because for beginners this is a bit chicky, you know, you'll have to try it out many times. I'm holding the thread like this. Okay, got it? Ashi. Now the hard ashil daughter take a ashi O shape karati. Ashi O shape. Okay, now the longer yarn, bring it below and cut that loop into exactly half like this. Okay, just like theta. And then with your right hand, pull the middle one, that strand, ashitancha. Okay, got it? So ganti gallal manike kadava. Then the longer yarn, you just pull it slowly down so that the loop becomes smaller and smaller, and then your needle number 1 goes into that loop. And when you put the needle into the loop, just pull the longer yarn so that you are comfortable with the tension of the yarn. Bochi tight kornakati, chikke loose davarati. If it is too loose, there is a chance that the stitch will come out. So let it be in a comfortable tension. Okay.
So this is nice because Sheila, I had remembered some erroneous way of casting stitches. So for every loop, I would just add one more loop to the same needle.
Yes.
But it would leave behind so much of, you know, loose thread. So I would have all this loose thread hanging at the bottom, but this works. It's tight.
Yes. So when you pull it, you get enough tension in the loop here.
Correct.
And you see, you should be comfortable in putting this needle inside like this. You know, just enough to push the second needle through. From front, the second needle, this second needle goes into the first needle through that loop from front to back. Okay, front to back is very important. Not this way. This is wrong. This is correct. Okay, then hold the two needles with your left hand, with the thumb and your index finger, and this longer yarn, take it right at the back and take a circle of the second needle and pull it towards you. And when you pull it, what happens is here at the base, you can see the yarn. Okay, now slowly bring it out. There you are. Okay, 1 minute. Haluchi tanka, that way. You pull it and then take it up. And pull it like that. And when you pull it, you'll get both the loops will come very close to each other. Okay, this way. Got it? Now the third one, again I put from front to back a sheep, from front, that is from me towards the wall. That way, hold it, take the yarn. 1 minute. Yeah. Now, take the yarn. Again, same. So, take it round the second needle, just like Pradakshina Kalal Manke. And then pull it. Okay, it should not be loose. If it is loose, then you can't get it out from this hole here. So pull it towards you, then there you are. There it's coming out, okay? That way. And then your second needle, your first needle goes into that loop, and then you pull the yarn again. Kalva? Kalva, Aruna?
Yes.
Yeah. Deepa Kalva? Okay. Now, if you keep on practicing, within 15 minutes you'll get it. It's very easy. And this is the easiest method which is taught even at school level. Okay. Now I will teach another method which is maybe in the next class, because that is slightly chike. I started with that method, then I thought perhaps it will be difficult for you. So I came to this method. At Parata, from front, the second needle goes into the newest loop. There it goes. There. Go back. Hold it with your index finger and your thumb of your left hand. And take the yarn again. Anek Pradakshin kadche. Second needle ache. Ani bring it in front. Ani taan dhurche. And then there you see the loop. You can see that one. Pull it out. Okay, when you pull it out, you can put it on the needle and haluchi tanche. Okay. So I got 4 loops now. Can you see it? Can you see the 4 loops? Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Chikke lagi hadpe camera lagi Aruna? Ha, wait, samasa, perfect. In fact, the tension is also correct. You know, the wool tension should be perfect. Otherwise, what happens is one stitch will be here and the other stitch will be about 6-7 millimeters away. So they should be close to each other. Like at the same time, take care not to make it too tight. Nazlari sweater mager ekdam, you'll feel it's very tight. Like so, let it be as loose as possible, but not too loose that it should slip out of the needle, So be careful. Enough tension asla pura. Now, if everyone is okay with the casting on, can I go to the next step? Or if you can mute kadati, and if anybody has any question, you can ask me at this level itself.
Shall we cast a number of stitches?
Pardon?
Shall we cast a certain number of stitches or what?
See, now we are just doing practice, no?
Okay.
When we start on the actual project,
okay,
I will tell you how many number of stitches you have to put. For example, now there is one equation like, now suppose I want to make I'll just show you. I have it right here. I have made a scarf for myself. See, this is the scarf, which is about, this is the scarf.
Oh, I see.
I'm showing you the, this is the right side. This is the scarf.
Okay.
So now, suppose this is about 8 inches. The length of this, it has to cover your neck like this, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
you have to make around 8 inches or 7 inches. Okay. So now if you want 7 inches, the number of stitches will be into 3.
Oh.
Yeah. So that is the equation we follow. Okay. Yeah. So 21 to 25 stitches, if you put it is enough to cover your, your neck during winter. Yeah. So that's about it. So now for practicing, you make about 20, not even 10, 20, you make about 15 stitches. That's more than enough. How many have you all put? Kitle? Arun Anpandragalve? Deepak Kalve?
हाँ 35 घाल दिसता.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Ani Deepa? Vidya?
Miguel 14 ಐತ್ಲ 14
Yeah. Yeah, for practicing, that is more than enough.
Right.
Even 10 if you put, it's enough, because the next step I'll be teaching you, which is like the backbone of knitting, okay? So the next one will be the two types of stitches which we come across. Konakakale question aswani nimmuncheswe regarding the casting of this stitches, cast on a
kasan needle kasan na. So I'll keep watching.
Yeah.
Interest is, but once I can go out and find out, then I'll start.
Yeah. You can even order it online from Michaels.
Michaels, okay.
Wait, Michaels Antano.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll do that.
Yeah, you can order.
So I thought Walmart okay, I'll order it from Michael.
Because now
Aneka Divya how घेतले हा लिंक पेटे तुमका you can decide खंयच्यान घेवचेसो but आमकां न्ही आता for this session but hopefully before next one it will come.
Okay, sure. म्हाका एक link पेटायला रे, it will be helpful.
Definitely.
Thank you, Preeti.
I was surprised because Michael sent it within 4 days. Yeah. So आणि एक पण दाखवूंक हांवें next अनेक एक stitch दाखवूं हांवें कशी म्हणून. Can I show one more stitch for everyone? Okay. So in the previous stitch, from front to back, I push the needle backwards. Hold it with my index finger and the thumb, and then I take the yarn like this, and then take it round the second needle, bring it towards me, and then chiketanka, just pull it, give a slight pull, and then you can see the loop there. Pull that loop out this way. Okay, this one. And magiri, you put it for the first needle like that. Taka suttu galche. Just like putting a garland around its neck. Okay, that is one. Ani ek pan daketa, then I go to the next step. Okay.
Kasa manchaka, what kind of
cast on? These are the cast on stitches.
Cast ons antu namne as such way.
No. Cast on is only one type.
Okay.
Cast on is now the next step which I'm going to, the second step, that is the backbone of knitting. Those are the two main stitches which everyone should know if you want to make any project. Okay. But I wanted to be sure that everyone has seen this clearly. So I'll make one more stitch, last stitch. Please see carefully. Hava telu pantano ashi makshi push korche. Okay, the second needle goes backwards. Then I take this longer yarn. This is called the running yarn. Okay, this one. And take it round the second needle and behind the front near first needle, bring it towards me, give a slight pull, and then there you can see the white yarn, bring it out, and then I put it round the first needle after gheonche. Okay, just like putting a necktie like. So I've got about 3 and 3, 6 stitches. Okay, now we come to the next step. That is the two types of stitches which we should know when we are knitting. So the first stitch which everyone has to start with is called the knit stitch. Knit, K-N-I-T, knit stitch. So knit stitch is very simple. And then the second one is called purl, P-U-R-L. So the second one is called purl. The first one is called knit. So today I'll teach you knit stitch. Okay. A knit stitch, just like how we made the cast on stitches, similar, sir, but with a slight difference. Akal kuch hai first loop as pada, tantu similar, just like how we did for casting on. Same way, push the needle from front to back, and the yarn goes again round the second needle, and then below the first needle towards me, and then I pull that yarn out. Now the difference comes. What I do, that loop which is here on the first needle, slowly I bring it to the edge of that needle and slip it off. Okay, so my first knit has come on my second needle. So my first knit has come on my second needle. Kadva? I'll show again. Now start kartana second needle the loopa tagu, the cast on stitches are tagu, tanu makshi push korche like this. Can you see? Is it clear? Kadva? Ashi push korche and then take the yarn behind the second needle, below the first needle, towards yourself, and then pull the yarn from the back. Pull from the back, and then this loop where you've done the knit, push it from the needle like this. Takla punch bhayar. But when you're pushing,
Shailapaji, you mean the needle number 1 nachi loop loose sorcha?
Correct. So the cast on stitch through which you're making the knit stitch. See, now I'm making the knit stitch on the second needle, but cast on stitch is on my first needle. Now, hakal karta, just like tawal kellal manke, makshi push korche, everything is same. Then I bring it here in front towards me. Mate loop the thread kadtano bhaira. The thread kana pade hai cast on stitches parte first te halu chittipa khanu push koch bhaira. Okay. Halu and you have to leave only one cast on stitch. Tsukkuno second don't stitches so naya. Okay. When you come to the tip of the needle, be very careful to hold the other stitches. The other stitches, you should hold it with your finger. Only the one which has been knitted, only that has to come out. Okay. Atpara daketa. I hope I'm visible. I put the needle like this, and then I take the yarn around the second needle, below the first needle, come towards myself, and then I pull the yarn, loop pile hanga. So this is the knitted stitch, and this is the cast on stitch. So cast on stitch halu chituriye khano taka bhair sodje. Okay. Got it? Sakanan kalva? If you have any question, you can ask me, okay? Yes. Deepa, correct. Yeah, very nice. Slowly, as you practice, the tension also will improve. Pile chike lose yata, mageri, every day you keep on doing 15 stitches, 20 stitches, then you can do a nice, why? Exactly. Correct, sir. Yeah, perfect. Vidya, correct. Yeah. Anikona da konchaswe? Yes, correct. Why? Very nice.
Mummy, so the purpose of cast on stitch is to start the have
Start the process.
To start the process. Magi knit ani pearl ko.
Knit and pearl is to proceed with the project.
Okay.
Yeah. Your first line of knit and your first line of pearl stitches, that is like आता आमी खंयच्या फंक्शना वेळार गणपती गेले म्हणत पूजा हे पद तशी. So your first line of knit and first line of purl is the first day of your project, like
Okay.
first line. And cast on stitches are just the base, just the base.
So cast on एक का you do it only once in your
Only once.
to lock on to the needle.
Needle. The wool is converted into a stitch on your first needle by casting the number of stitches. Okay. So cast on malari first line. So now I'll teach you the another stanches aneka korea. I hope I'm close to the camera. Am I close to the camera? Ha. Front athano makshi ashivarche. Take it back. The second needle goes below the first needle toward away from you. And then this yarn always from the back anti-clockwise goes round the second needle below the first needle towards yourself. It comes towards you like this. Okay, this way. And then let the tension be a little more so that pulling the yarn out. See, can you see the yarn there? Hang pada. That yarn we have to bring it out like that. Now this is the knitted stitch on my second needle. So the first stitch which is on the first needle, I can push him out. So I pushed him out, okay? See, it has come out here. Now one more knit. Take it in from front to back. Then take the yarn round the second needle below the first needle towards you this way. Pull, give a slight pull, and then pull that. See there, this one, it comes out. And this stitch, you leave it out. It's gone. So your first line of knit is done. So, you know, when you do the first line of knit, you feel so happy. You know, oh, wow, I've done it. Now, I will just show you as you do knit. I've just drawn a rough picture here. I'll show you. And this way, this is how the knit will look. This is how the knit will look, just like a, I mean, phanti gange na to emataka tashi.
Itte wire dhari pachi. Ha.
Phanti galal manke. Literally phanti galal manke.
Ha, this stuff.
Why? Phanti galal manke. Okay. And behind your knitting knit karta vachul mundlaka one side will be knit. Ani now this is all the knit which we did now. Okay, this is the knit. Now when you turn the needle like this, at the back you will see something like waves, you know, small waves. That is called purl. So purlaka and knitaka, there's only one difference. Kalmalari, for knit, what we did, we pushed the second needle from front to back. Now, for purl, it will be opposite, from back to front. Okay, understood? So it will be, we'll put the आज knitting mat korya, knit mat korya, okay. I don't want to pearl kal ba mon magir shiketa. Ata parat ami knit korya. Have you finished all your stitches? Your cast on stitches zal mein pura hi?
Yeah. So knit pearl karo jata, or you can just go on doing knit or just pearl, right?
I'm coming to that.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm coming to that. आज ही तुमका knit मात्र शिकेता, and then I will teach you pearl कश करचे म्हणून त्यावेळी शिकेता. And आता तुमका design करताना variations in a knit, yes, Very nice.
But
Perfect.
Chandeni Shilpa Chetuggala vari enite. Chandachieni.
No, you can like 4-5 divas practice kari. It'll be perfect. Don't worry.
Ek loose hai, ek tight asa.
It's okay. That's because to
Yeah.
pull kelele, maybe once you pulled little, next time you pulled it more.
Oh, maybe that's why.
Yeah.
Knit kon gotna crochet karta. I do crochet, but I've never
Okay.
knitted. So
Okay. Yeah.
that's why. Okay.
Yeah. So now, after you finish all the cast on stitches, you have converted them into the knit. Okay? Yeah, correct. Ata needle turn koche. So now, this is the longer yarn. Can you see? This is the longer yarn. Now, we'll do one more line of knit, okay? Same thing. Paila, needle from front to back. From front to back. Hold it with your index finger and the thumb of your left hand. And Hassan balas pada, that you can hold it with your pinky finger. Okay. Now I push the second needle, the free needle, below my first needle, and then the yarn goes below the second needle, takes a turn round it, goes below the first needle, and comes towards you. Okay? And then parata te makshithano, taguthano, tukte san ek loop dista, ta khadu bhar kadche. Okay? And magiri, take all the stitches towards the tip, and you magi taka ashi push koche. Galno hai? Push kala. Now, if you want, loop chike tight karati. The knit one. Okay? Now, next one. Same thing. Front to back. Second needle goes front to back. The yarn goes below the second needle, round the second needle, below the first needle, towards your chin. And then just peep below for the loop to be pulled out. Then pull it slightly. Ani the first needle arashila stitch hadu chittippa khano ashilla konchtak bhair. Okay. So the number of stitches will be even throughout. If you don't leave that stitch, then the number, if you have already cast on 6 stitches and you have forgotten while doing the knitting, the stitch tumi soduk visarlari, then it becomes 6 plus 1. So pushing that stitch out of the first needle is very important. Okay. Now hang pada first, the last stitch in my first needle, what I'm doing, parat knit karta with my second needle. Goes from front to back, hold it with your thumb and index finger of the left hand, take the yarn, take it round the second needle, below the first needle, towards yourself, give a pull, and then the second needle brings that loop out, and slowly from the first needle push that stitch out. Okay, got it? Any doubts? Anybody? Kanaka doubt aslari, you can unmute and ask me.
It's fine. It's nice.
Yeah, okay. Same thing. And now there are 3 more stitches. I'll show you carefully. And if I'm not clear, just tell me. I put the needle from front to back, hold it with my index finger and my thumb. Meanwhile, I take the yarn, the running yarn, behind the second needle, go round it below the first needle and towards myself, give a pull, and then I search for that loop there below. There it is, it comes out, and then this cast, the first stitch comes slowly out. Push, 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 and it comes out. Okay? Then you make this stitch which you have just knitted now, just chike tak tight korche. Okay? Just bade tight korche. Now, just one more, two more, sorry. Now, front to back. Second needle goes front to back. It goes below my first needle. The yarn goes all around in the anti-clockwise direction. Below my first needle, comes towards my chin, and then I just give it a pull, and then I take my second needle slowly backwards, and then I take the loop out. There it is. Okay, this one. And then this one, the stitch which is already on the first stitch, I bring it to the tip and then leave it out. There, it has come out. And this, because the stitch which I just made now, it's loose. So chike tanche yarn and make it tight. Okay? With practice, you'll be more perfect. And initially just do about 10 or 15 stitches. And when you are very sure that the tension is perfect and your knit has come out well, your pearls have come out well, then you can start slowly on a, you can try about 10-15 inches of some flat work like, and then when you get more confident with that, then you can go to a scarf, and then you will know many things further on. Okay. Last now this is my second needle. It's going below from front to back. I hold it with my left hand, and then I take the running yarn like this, anti-clockwise direction, round the second needle, below the first needle, towards yourself, give it a pull, and then take the second needle slowly backwards, and then you see a loop there. Can you see the loop? That loop you have to bring it out like this. And then this stitch comes out of the needle. Understand? So your second line of knit is done. So this keeps on increasing, As you do, it keeps on increasing, then you'll get a beautiful thing like, So now what you did was, when you turned it also you did knit. When you did like this, when you had this side, you did knit. And then after doing that line, again you did knit. Okay. That is why you have to see your actual knit stitch, you will see the knit stitch. But if you don't pull it, what you're seeing right now is the pearl. The waves, see here. You're seeing only the waves here. So the wavy design is called the pearl stitch. Why? And if you want to see the knit stitch which you have already done, then in between the two pearls, you can see one knit here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's right. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, even the tension is very good. Yeah, very nice. So, at the knit is alle. So both the sides, even when you turned the needle, it was knit. This side also knit. Got it now, everyone?
Yeah.
Any questions, please?
I learned this. I was doing knit and purl both because I happen to know, but the casting was what I needed. So
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
लेट जल जॉइन जाता ना
हाँ.
सो कास्टिंग शिकायतवा
How can needles and our 4-5 वर्ष makshi. I have this wooden.
Oh wow. Kanch
8
number.
wooden needles because they said it's easier to learn on wooden needles.
Yes, wooden needles are better. Yeah, it's good that you reminded me.
Number 8.
Wood and
I have this yarn. So
yeah.
I was just following you, but since I didn't know the casting, I'm just waiting.
Yeah, sure. I'll teach
If you can recap the process.
Right. Yeah, and moreover, Preeti has recorded also. So yeah.
So I can watch it. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll send it after the session. Huh, Archana?
Okay, no problem.
Even at the end of सुद्धा हाँ तुक जायला अनेक पण दाखयता.
Yeah. Just.
Okay. आता सगळ्यांक कळणं नीट कळणं doubt
Yeah.
and suppose I'm not very close to the camera, please tell me.
Yeah. No, it is clear.
Clear now? Okay.
Yes, Shilpache. Thank you so much. Chatting class. Thank you. Chandu konsangalto patiently jaanu.
Yeah.
Because
very
I'm seeing myself in the smaller window, and I'm not very sure whether I'm close to the camera or not. That's why I
Not easy.
keep on asking.
Wait, like konsangle. Very.
Can she not pin her video?
Pardon?
You can pin your video. Preeti, can you tell her how?
Yeah, so I don't know how it will appear on your side because I'm the host, so I have a different view.
I see. But she can pin her own video. That way you can see yourself only, not just speaker. If you put speaker, it'll keep shifting. Suppose I speak, it'll shift to my view. But if you pin your somehow,
there is a pin in the center. If you press on the here, there is a pin in the center. Just press the pin button there, and you can. That's what she meant, I suppose.
Maybe, I think so, right? I don't know.
Yeah,
How to pin yourself. I can pin the host. For example, I have pinned you, so only you appear, no matter what other people are saying. So right now, I think somebody else spoke, but they will not appear on my screen. Only you appear.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I have pinned you, but I don't know.
Right hand
whether you can
corner
pin
arte.
yourself.
Click keller pin video muneta.
Ha.
Right hand corner.
But I don't know if Sheila can do that for herself.
Right hand corner.
Oh, this is
Wow, that's beautiful, Kushi.
this is the one which I
Your
That was,
favorite color?
You
I
made
made a
Pretty,
Yeah.
Kushi. Very pretty. Why, man? You're so proud.
Kushi
She's
ghal
teaching us too.
I took 18 days. I took 18 days to make that frock for her because it was not knitted. It was by crochet.
Oh,
Yes.
But still, only 18 days. That's amazing.
per day.
No, that is too much for me.
Nikitla, how many hours did you spend per day for 18 days?
फक्त ब्रेकफास्ट जेवणा वेळारी नी डिनर वेळा मात्र उठवचे
Wow.
Wow, that is something.
Shilpa, it's very cute. Mast chandas.
And
Wow,
I'm sure she's
it's
lovely
very
in it.
pretty.
in fact Arun always tells me don't do it continuously because your fingers may start paining and I was not paying any heed to his advice, and then slowly my pinky finger, this one on my right, it started aching, and then I had to go to Kaiser and take an injection also.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So, my pinky, I can't fold it properly, like it pains. Yeah.
Oh, even now. I see.
Yes. But I took the injection and then I felt better.
But it's very nice of you to do this. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Hilpaji.
At the end course, like pearl shikonchi, next class on shikonche. Will you practice?
Next class shikoyet.
Okay. So you practice with only knit, okay? And as you're knitting, remember yarn split, just give it a slight pull, okay? Slight pull dillari, all your stitches will come close together, and within 3 days I can assure you that all will be perfect.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Archana, हमें recording भेटे ता?
Archana तुका दाखयता, एक पण दाखयता तिका.
Okay.
I'm leaving. Huh? Bye.
Bye, Sharvari. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank
too.
you, Shilapati. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.
अर्चना तू 1 मिनिट वेट कर.
हाँ सर.
Okay. This now,
Why?
beginning. The shorter thread will be on your left side. The longer thread will be on your right hand.
Okay.
Okay. आणि अशी जी एक सर्कल घेतील म्हणजे करी. एक 7 सर्कल.
होतं.
1 second. घाल दाके तुझे ड्रेस दाके. Wow, that's
Wow.
Wow, Kushi. Very pretty.
gorgeous.
खुशी चिके कैमरा लगी हो.
Thank you for modeling.
You can see this, Veena. Veena, it is a shell stitch.
पर्स त्याचेच ना तू पर्स फोटो
Yeah, I've done a similar dress.
Cool. गळा necklace गमतेस Veena.
Yeah, it is hand painted.
कळते?
Hand painted. It's hand painted.
Hey, beautiful, Vinapachi. Beautiful.
It's my Mother's Day present to myself.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
तू Mother's Day गांगेतलं.
I just ordered it. I ordered it and it came a week before, but I thought I'll get it today.
हां, बरं झालं.
परफेक्ट आहे.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And it suits you very well. You look very beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
The earrings also are matching, right?
Yeah, it comes as a set.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, perfect.
Is it made of wood or wood?